Alright, so now let's make a FM style kind of lead from these samples. What you want to look for is kind of a rich sound. Let's try this toilet flush. There are a few ways to do that, but one way is basically I put the sample in the sampler, and now I'll start the sound from somewhere where looks more interesting. Have some more volume, and now with the arpeggiator, I'm using the free mode, and I will essentially find the right tuning I want. I will tune the sound according to the rate of the arpeggiator. So this is most likely the tuning of the kick and bass. So if you want that to be an octave lower, you'll just need to double the number, so it will be. This sounds pretty good. If I'll change the octave that I'm playing the sound, it also will change the sound itself. And the nice thing about it, now you can also play with the start of the sample. It will always have different results. Super cool. If you remove the snap, so let's just for the sake of it, let's make a lead. Let's try and make a more psytrance regular. So now the sound, you can play with the timbre, as you can see, with the starting loop and all that. But now maybe it sounds a little thin. So let's maybe add some overdrive. There's a lot of things you can do to thicken the sound. Let's try a few different things. First of all, maybe you can add an octave, and then now you have more high frequencies. And now we can add a lower octave. I like it more without that, but yeah. Now it's a little more thick. Even thicker. Now let's add some distortion. This sounds cool. Maybe we can try put a distortion after the filter, which give a different effect, but let's try that. That's a little too much. It's not completely necessary, but you can add amp, you can add the pedal, you can add different kind of distortion that will give you different different colors to the sound. Yeah, that's too much. But if you have, for example, a plugin like Isotope Trash, it has a big variation of distortions and effects, and with any kind of sound, you can have such a wide variation of sounds, and yeah, you can make a lot of sound from that.